Here's how to create free customized professional email addresses for your business using cPanel and your domain name. Log into your cPanel account. You can do this through your hosting server's admin dashboard or by logging into your domain/cPanel. So I can log in through my Namecheap admin dashboard. I just need to find my hosting plan, look for the server icon, hover over it, and then click on Go to cPanel. Then I'll be redirected to my cPanel account. Alternatively, as I mentioned earlier, you can log on to your domain.com/cPanel. So for me, it will be dayoonyinlola.store/cPanel. Then you enter your cPanel credentials here. But since I'm already logged on to cPanel here, I'm just going to continue in this particular tab. So the next thing you need to do is look for the email section. This section here that says email. Click on email account. Click on create. Then select a domain for your email. If you have multiple domain name here, you'll be able to choose out of all of the domain you have associated with your cPanel account. But if you have just one domain associated with your cPanel account, that's the only one you see here. The next thing you need to do is choose a username for that particular email address. For me, I'm just going to do hello. So the email account is going to be hello@dayoonyinlola.store. You can choose whatever username you so desire here. It can be your name, your first name. I can do dayo@dayoonyinlola.store. You can do info. You can do whatever you so desire. The only thing that will remain constant is your domain name. So your email address is going to be whatever username you choose at yourdomainname.com. So for this particular email address, it's going to be hello@dayoonyinlola.com. The next thing you need to do is set a password for that particular email address. There are two options for this. You can either set a password now or send a login link to an alternate email address and set your password from there. I'm just going to set a password now. Then click on Edit Settings for optional settings. This is where you can set the storage space for this particular email address. Since I have a hosting server that accommodates unlimited storage plan, I'm just going to use unlimited for this particular email address here. You can choose whatever storage space you want for that particular email address, but I'm just going to leave this as unlimited. And I want to automatically create folders for plus addressing. Then I want to send a welcome email address with instructions to set up a mail client. So in this particular email that will be sent to this new email address, we will have things like SMTP settings, calendar settings, and so on. I'm going to show you what that looks like after creating this particular email address. So once you're done, please verify all of the information, verify your username, verify your password is the one you want, and then you click on create. That email address has been created, and then you can click on view here or look for the email address here and then click on check email. So this is the one I'm looking for right here. This is the one we just created, hello@dayoonyinlola.store. Click on check email and click on open. So this is the webmail interface for the email address we just created. You can now start sending and receiving email through this email address that we just created. This is the configuration email that we said we wanted to be sent to our new email address. Let me just open that for you to see what it looks like. We have things like mail client manual settings. For example, if you want to use SMTP for your website and you need an email server for that, you can use the particular settings right here for that. We also have calendar and contact manual settings and so on and so forth. Let me quickly show you how to log on to your webmail interface through any browser. Just log on to your domainname.com/webmail. For me, it's going to be dayoonyinlola.store/webmail. Then I'm going to enter the login credentials that we just created. So once you enter this particular interface, to check your email or send email from this new email address, just click on open. Then you'll be brought to this interface where you can compose email, check your received email, and do other stuffs like your calendar, contacts, and so on and so forth. Let me quickly show you how to add this new email address to your Gmail app. Add a new account to your Gmail app. Click on Others. Enter your login credentials here. Then click on Next. Select IMAP here. Then enter your password. Check to ensure that everything is right. I've shown you how to check your server in the SMTP setup video. If you have not seen that part, please go and watch it. Click on Next. Click on Next. Then enter a display name for your email. I'm going to do my name here. Let me open the email that we just added. This is it right here. This is the configuration email that we sent when we were creating the email. You can now start using Gmail to send and receive email with your new business email address. Please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. Cheers.